Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set your iPad up for screen recording. Every updated iPad, from what I can tell, has the ability to screen record, but you might not realize it because you do have to turn it on through your settings. So I'm just going to show you how to do that and then the basics of how to get started on that, and then I will go more in depth on how I actually create a lesson in another video. So from the home screen of your iPad, you want to go to Settings, and then you're going to have to scroll down along the left side until you can get to the Control Center. So you have like General, Display and Brightness, Control Center. In the Control Center, that is where you can customize your controls, and you have to turn on screen recording as an option. So if you look at all of these different controls that you can turn on, you want to make sure that screen recording is at the top, meaning that it is an active option that you have on your iPad. So for example, it might be down here at the bottom, screen recording. That means it's on your iPad, but you don't have it like activated so that you can get to it easily. So you're going to hit the little plus sign and it will move up here. So you can see of the ones that I have active in my Control Center, I have Timer, Notes, Camera, Apple TV Remote, and Screen Recording. To be honest, the only ones I ever use are Camera and Screen Recording, but that's the one that you really care about for this tutorial. So once you have it up there, you can go back to your home screen, and then you are ready to screen record basically anything on your iPad. The way that you activate screen recording is you swipe down from the upper right corner. It's how you normally adjust your brightness and your volume, and it has joined into this little menu. It's the dot with a circle around it. So the way that you can start screen recording is you hold that down, and you will see I'm going to send any screen recordings to my camera roll. There are also additional features now that I have WebEx downloaded on my computer. You can also have it record what you are saying by having the microphone feature on, or if you don't want it to record what you're saying, you are welcome to turn that off as well. So when you decide you are ready to start screen recording, you can hit Start Recording. It will give you a couple seconds to get where you want to be on your screen. I normally would go into Notability. That's a problem I was working on previously. And then it is recording my screen, and you can tell that based on the little red icon in the upper right corner. So this is where you can go through a lesson. You can say kind of whatever you want. Do, this can be as short as a minute or as long as 20 minutes. When you are done recording, you're going to click on that little red icon and you will hit screen recording, stop screen recording, stop. And then it does take a couple minutes, especially if it's a long video, but it will be put into your photos. So from then on, you can just go into camera roll. You can see all these different photos I have. And this is where you will access it as a file. If you want to get it to your computer, you will then move it from camera roll, or you can upload it straight to YouTube from here. I normally would go into Notability. That's a problem I was working on previously. And then it is recording my screen, and you can tell that based on the little red icon in the upper right corner. So this is where you can go through a lesson. You can say kind of whatever you want. Do